Hey friends, today I am chalking another found surface. I found these cute little wooden houses and I thought they would go perfect with our bird cutouts. So I am using the wood bird cutouts that we have along with the matching transfer. The transfer comes with 2 large birds and 2 small birds along with those cute little wings that you can add on. And I am using some of our shimmer pastes, shimmer orchid, shimmer eucalyptus, and shimmer rose gold. And I'm just gonna kind of spread the paste along there, and then it's gonna all mix together and look so pretty. And you'll notice that I'm actually wiping the paste onto a paper towel. Look how pretty that is. I'm wiping the excess on a paper towel because I don't want to put that back in my jar because I have 3 different colors that are mixed together. So the wood cutouts also come with these cute little wings, and you can paste or decorate both sides of these wood cutouts so you can get 2 different looks if you want to. So I'm just going to use one side for this project. And again, I'm just kind of mixing these pastes again on that little bird. And I'm just going to spread it with my squeegee, just that simple. And then we're going to pull that off. And here's the wow factor. I love that. So pretty. So, and then I've also chalked or am chalking the little wings. One of them I did in eucalyptus, and the other one I'm doing in orchid. And then I want to make sure those are fully dry, so I'm going to set those aside while I work on my box. So for the box, I am going to use a couple of the pieces from the etched butterflies transfer. I love this script transfer that comes with those butterflies. I thought that would make a great background for this little wood house since it has a black background. So I'm using the white paste on there, and super simple, gives it a nice backdrop. And then on the other one, I'm going to use a couple of the other pieces from that same transfer set, and I'm going to use black on there. So before I transfer, or before I use the other transfer on that background, I'm going to make sure it's dry so I don't smudge my paste. And then I'm going to use the other transfer on there and pull that off, and love it. So then I decided maybe I want to decorate the sides of the box a little bit. So I'm going to use the transfer on that one side, make sure it's dry, and then I'm going to flip it over and use that fun little stamp kind of watermark and script transfer on this other side. And I didn't wash in between. I just kind of used them right after, one after the other, and it worked just fine. So with these bird cutouts, they do come with little adhesive squares, but I just pulled out my handy dandy glue gun because I needed it to adhere my little birds in the house anyway. So I'm just using some hot glue on the bottom of those birds, and I kind of held it in place for a minute, kind of placed it right in the center of the house so it's set forward from that background. It needed a little bit more hot glue there. And then once that's in, I added a little bit of Spanish moss, and on the smaller one I added a cute little black wooden base. You can see right there, and there you have it, my little birdhouses. Thanks for watching.